Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Algolia search on Shopify for fast filtering, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Algolia search on Shopify for fast filtering, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify App Store, search for the Algolia search app. Click on the Algolia search app from the search results. Select the Add App button to install the app. You will then be redirected to the installation page. Click on Install App to continue. Once the app is installed, you will be prompted to sign up or log into your Algolia account. If you don't have an Algolia account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you will need to set up your Algolia index. In the Algolia dashboard, click on Add Index. Name your index according to your Shopify store and click Create. Next, return to the Shopify app and navigate to the configuration settings. Link your Algolia index to your Shopify store by entering the necessary API keys and index names. You can find the API keys in your Algolia dashboard under the API keys section. Once the keys are added, configure the search attributes for your store products. Choose which attributes to be searchable, such as title, description, and tags. Customize the ranking criteria to prioritize the most relevant results for your customers. Next, go to your Shopify theme and edit the code to integrate Algolia. Locate the header file in the theme editor and add the Algolia search snippet. Make sure to include the JavaScript and CSS files provided by Algolia. Save your changes and preview your store to see the algorithm in action. Test the search functionality by typing keywords into the search bar. Ensure that the results are displayed quickly and accurately according to your settings. If all looks good, finalize any additional customization according to your brand. Regularly optimize and update the Algolia settings to enhance your search experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.